Hello guys, welcome back to my new video guys. In this video inshallah I'll give you some steps which is how to get out of the parking. These steps will benefit the beginners. It will help also the students during the road test, of course when they have test day. I know that some students have difficulties how to get out of the car park, sometime in the right side and on the left side, but no worries my friend, okay? I will show you these tips in this video, but follow me. Alright guys, here we go. I know some students they fail the exam because they go backward by mistake. I know that it's too sad, but don't worry my friends. In this video inshallah I'm going to explain to you how we can go out of the parking without any mistakes. Right? First, when the examiner asks you to go back to the right, start with the double signal, then change your gear from parking to reverse. Right, slowly push the handbrake down, then look behind if there is, to make sure if there is no cars or someone walking around. Okay, when you see the first road in the middle car door, just turn the steering wheel fully left, and when the car is on the right track, stop, then turn your steering straight and change your gear to drive mode and keep driving. Right? Okay, we do it again. Steps is very easy my friend, just practice. I am sure in the exam you'll never fail. Inshallah you're going to pass. Alright, no way my friends, it's okay. Just calm down and don't be in a hurry. Inshallah everything will be fine. Alright guys, now we are going left. If the examiner asks you to go left side, okay, start with the signal, change your gear to reverse, pull down the brake down, look behind, no one there, okay? When the line is aligned with your shoulder, turn fully right, and when you are on the right track, stop, then turn your steering straight, alright, change your gear to drive and keep going. That's it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope everyone can pass his exam inshallah and keep practicing. Thank you.